Are you looking to add a little flair to your garden with some DIY projects? You're in the right place. We're about to embark on a journey of creativity and garden artistry, transforming spaces with the power of DIY. Stay tuned to uncover the top 7 DIY projects to beautify your garden. First on our list is creating your very own bird bath. With a few simple materials like a large leaf, sand, and some concrete, you can craft a unique and charming feature. A DIY bird bath not only beautifies your garden, but also attracts colorful birds to your space. Next up, we have DIY garden stepping stones. With some cement, a mold, and your creativity, you can create a custom pathway. These stepping stones will add a unique touch to your garden path. Third on our list is the DIY fairy garden. With some creativity, pebbles, and plants, you'll create a magical oasis. This whimsical project is sure to enchant both children and adults alike. Moving on, we have DIY garden lights. With simple materials, you can cast a magical glow that benefits both aesthetics and safety. These DIY garden lights will make your garden shine, even at night. Last but not least, we have DIY plant markers, wind chimes, and a butterfly feeder. For the plant markers, gather some stones or popsicle sticks and waterproof paint. Wind chimes can be made out of old keys or silverware, and for the butterfly feeder, a simple dish with some ripe fruit will do. These projects are not only fun, but also practical. They'll help you identify your plants, attract beautiful wildlife, and create soothing sounds. These final projects will not only beautify your garden, but also make it more interactive and inviting. There you have it, the top 7 DIY projects to beautify your garden. From whimsical wind chimes to fabulous flower beds, these projects can transform any space into a garden paradise. So why not roll up your sleeves and give them a try? Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more garden beautification ideas. Happy gardening!